Hello everyone, this is Jim from Auto Finance. Welcome back to our channel. We are with you on 7th of June afternoon analysis. On this video, we will just cover some news first, then we will just go ahead with our charts. Alright, this morning we have received UK manufacturing and composite PMIs and service PMIs. So composite is like manufacturing and other combined. So they are just slightly higher than expected. Expectation was around 51 and release and reported number is 53. So but compared to other months, it's really still low, and previous month was still higher than this. So these service sector and composite PMIs, why they are declining? Because of these high energy bills, high the living cost, high inflation in the world. So in UK especially, and so this is just affecting the daily life of people. That's why it's just rising. And as long as we see inflation, we are expecting these Bank of England rise interest rates. That's why it will just go higher. And as you can see on the chart, it's rising still on these expectation, but compared to previous months like March and other months, still on that one, but at least it just rebounded from these mid-May low levels 121. And as you can see here, it just tested just a pin test on this level. That means it may just go down again, its critical level. So for this GBP USD, as you can see here, it's just getting closer with the rise of the rising dollar index. Dollar index is rising and it's creating pressure over euro and pound. That's why just keep watching, and then a close eye, then we will just do that. All right, let's look at our second chart.
You are ready to win with us. GAN Markets.
All right, our second chart is silver. As you can see here on mid-May, we have seen a sharp decline, and then after this, we have seen one upper level of this one. It just made another test on here. On this day, we were just making another video, and then we were telling that this 2140 level is critical. So it just worked and it just made its job, and we just have seen another rebound on here, and now we see another decline. The reason is 10-year bonds, US 10-year bond yields, they are rising again and creating pressure over gold and silver. As long as we see high level of these US 10-year bonds, we can expect another decline until 2140, because expectation of interest rate hike, that makes the yield level, the yields will just be more valuable. People will just get more yield, so they will just prefer US 10-year bonds. It's important, it's expectation. All right, let's look at our last chart. All right, our last chart is NASDAQ. As you can see here, NASDAQ is on decline. Reason is a lot of bad news on the way. So why a lot of bad news? For example, Elon Musk, he just said that I just feel super bad about economy. That's why we are cutting 10% of our hiring. So like he is saying that permanent jobs will be affected, hourly jobs won't be affected. That's another thing. And these guys are just managing a lot of different companies. Even just imagine Tesla is on the rise, and then he just is selling they're selling hotcakes. But even if they just feel that pressure, so something is coming on that one. So people are just get scared, and from this level they start to sell, and we may see more sell-off in the coming days. And on this Friday, if we just probably will just see if US inflation doesn't make any peak, if it just goes higher and higher, then we will definitely see more hawkish fat, and then there will be no soft landing. There will be some crashes. As long as it happens, we will see a decline in NASDAQ. Alright, thanks so much for watching us. We will be together on more news. We will just cover some more charts with you on coming days. Have a nice and profitable day. Bye.